Here are 7 most effective methods to lose 10 pounds in just 1 week. While shedding 10 pounds (4.5 kilograms) in 7 days is in fact conceivable, it isn't suggested. Present moment, serious eating plans are viewed as crash counts calories, implying that your weight is probably going to bounce back after you finish the program. Besides, in light of their prohibitive nature, these weight control plans aren't fitting on the off chance that you have a background marked by dietary problems. Hence, these weight control plans are definitely not a sound, economical, or long-haul arrangement. With quick weight reduction, a large portion of the weight you lose is water weight, not muscle-to-fat ratio. That is on the grounds that you can't securely consume 10 pounds (4.5 kilograms) of muscle-to-fat ratio in only multi-week, one trusted source. Or maybe, quick weight reduction brings down your insulin levels and flushes out put-away carbs known as glycogen, which hold around multiple times their weight in water. Diminished insulin levels likewise make your kidneys shed overabundant sodium, which prompts a drop in water maintenance. 2 trusted source, 3 trusted source, 4 trusted source. Rather than snappy health improvement plans, we suggest looking at these tips or attempting one of these eating regimen plans. In any case, in the event that you actually choose to seek after momentary weight reduction, the accompanying advances can assist you with accomplishing it. Remember that this is certainly not a drawn-out program or arrangement. 1. Eat less carbs and more lean proteins. You can shed a few pounds by following a low-carb diet for only a couple days. Truth be told, loads of examination has demonstrated that a low-carb diet is a successful method to get more fit and improve well-being. 5 trusted source, 6 trusted source, 7 trusted source. A transient decline in carb admission can likewise diminish water weight and swelling. That is the reason individuals who go low-carb frequently consider it to be on the scale as ahead of schedule as the following morning subsequent to beginning the eating regimen. Furthermore, ensuring you eat a lot of protein can help lessen your craving much further while boosting your digestion. 8 trusted source, 9 trusted source. It's fundamental to wipe out or radically lessen all dull carbs and sugars for the week. Supplant these with low-carb vegetables, while likewise expanding your admission of eggs, lean meats, and fish. Look at this article to study how to set up a low-carb diet and which nourishments to incorporate. 2. Eat entire food sources and dodge most handled low-quality nourishments. At the point when you're attempting to get thinner rapidly, it very well may be useful to eat a basic eating regimen dependent on entire nourishments. These nourishments will in general be very filling and make it simpler to eat less calories without getting excessively eager. During the week, you should expect to eat generally entire, single-fixing nourishments. Dodge most food sources that are exceptionally handled. Eating generally lean proteins and low-carb veggies can be unbelievably fulfilling regardless of whether you're not getting that numerous calories. 3. Decrease your calorie admission by following these tips. Decreasing your calorie admission might be the main factor with regards to weight reduction. On the off chance that you're not eating less calories than you consume, you won't lose fat. 10 trusted source. Here is an adding machine that shows you the number of calories you ought to eat to get in shape. Here are a couple of basic hints to lessen calorie admission. Tally calories, weigh and log the food sources you eat. Utilize a calorie checking device to monitor the measure of calories and supplements you are taking in. Eat just at suppers, reduce all bites and don't have anything after supper. Cut your toppings, eliminate calorie-thick fixings and sauces. Top off on veggies, fill your plate with vegetables and cut off bland carbs and added fats for the week. Pick lean proteins, choose lower-fat proteins, for example, chicken and fish. Try not to drink your calories, instead, decide on water, zero-calorie beverages, tea or espresso. Protein shakes are fine in the event that you consider them a dinner. 4. Lift loads and attempt extreme cardio exercise. Exercise is probably the most ideal approaches to consume fat and improve your appearance. Opposition preparing, for example, weightlifting, can prompt a comparative measure of weight reduction as ordinary oxygen-consuming preparing. It additionally causes you add or keep up bulk and strength. 11 trusted source, 12 trusted source. Full body obstruction preparing exercises are additionally an extraordinary strategy to bring down your body's carb stores and water weight, which can prompt a sharp decrease in weight. 13 Trusted source. 14 Trusted source. Lifting loads can likewise secure your digestion and chemical levels, which frequently decay during eating fewer carbs. 15 Trusted source. 16 Trusted source. Intense cardio exercise (HIIT) is another exceptionally powerful preparing technique. Examination proposes that 5 to 10 minutes of HIIT can prompt comparative or more prominent advantages for well-being and weight reduction as multiple times that measure of customary exercise. 17 Trusted source. 18 Trusted source. 19 Trusted source. Like weightlifting, it can rapidly lessen muscle carb stores and furthermore support other significant parts of weight reduction. For example, your digestion and fat-consuming chemicals. 20 Trusted source. 21 Trusted source. You can perform HIIT 3 to 4 times each week after an exercise or as a feature of your typical preparing routine. It is vital to do this with 100% exertion or force. Most runs ought not last over 30 seconds. Here are a couple of conventions you can attempt. These should be possible running set up or outside, or applied to a cardio machine like a bicycle, rower or treadmill. Meeting 1 10x 20-second run with 40 seconds rest. Meeting 2 15x 15-second run with 30 seconds rest. Meeting 3 to 7x 30-second run with 60 seconds rest. Meeting 4 20x 10-second run with 20 seconds rest. 5. Be dynamic external the exercise center. To consume additional calories and lose more weight, you can likewise build your day-by-day action. Truth be told, how dynamic you are for the duration of the day when you're not practicing additionally assumes a vital part in weight reduction and stoutness. 22 Trusted source. 23 Trusted source. For instance, the distinction between a work area work and a manual occupation can represent up to 1,000 calories for each day. This is equivalent to 90 to 120 minutes of extreme focus workout. 24 Trusted source. Basic way of life changes, for example, strolling or trekking to work, using the stairwell, taking strolls outside, standing more or in any event, cleaning the house can help you consume a ton of calories. 6. Change to discontinuous fasting. Discontinuous fasting is another successful and demonstrated instrument for dropping fat. 25 Trusted source. 26 Trusted source. It drives you to decrease your calorie admission, since you are restricting your eating to a short window of time. There are various conventions, for example, a 16-hour quick with a 8-hour taking care of window, or a 20-hour quick with a 4-hour taking care of window. In case you're consolidating fasting with workout, it could be savvy to do the fasting at an unexpected time in comparison to your exercise. 7. Utilize these tips to diminish water maintenance. A few different techniques can help you drop water weight and show up more slender and lighter. These include: take dandelion remove. An enhancement called dandelion concentrate can help diminish water maintenance. 27 Trusted source. Drink espresso. Coffee is a sound wellspring of caffeine. Studies recommend that caffeine can help you consume more fat and lose abundance water. 28 Trusted source. Psyche or bigotries. Eating things that you are narrow-minded to, for example, gluten or lactose, can prompt over-the-top water maintenance and swelling. Maintain a strategic distance from food sources that you figure you might be prejudiced to. The primary concern. The eating regimen and way of life changes referenced here can assist you with getting more fit rapidly. Simply recall that the majority of this weight reduction is expected to losing water weight, so you're probably going to recapture the load when your carb and calorie consumption rise once more. Also, this program ought not be followed long haul and is certifiably not an economical weight reduction arrangement. All things considered, a few hints included here, for example, weightlifting, HIIT, and a by and large dynamic day-by-day schedule, may make great long-haul propensities for building muscle and consuming calories. By and large, long-haul weight reduction is best accomplished through sound way of life propensities that suit your own necessities. It's essential to follow a reasonable eating example to get the supplements your body requires. No matter what, a reasonable eating routine is substantially more significant than the number on the scale.